Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zelle on Citibank. The first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is to have a Citibank account. If you don't, make sure to go to citi.com. Make sure to open an account if you don't have an account. And if you have an account, make sure to just go and log in into your account. If you have your phone as example, or if you're a phone user, you can simply just go and download the application and sign in with user ID if you have an account, or even with Touch ID if you already enable it, or there's even Face ID, or simply register for an account again here if you don't have an account again. So now how to use Zelle on Citibank. So once you log in into your Citibank mobile application, you can click on the plus sign and select send money with Zelle. You'll find this right away in you or inside the app as an example. So once you click on the plus sign and select send money with Zelle, you can follow basically the instructions to enroll with Zelle, and you should be normally good to go. As example, another article from citi.com again. So as example, how it works, you can simply Citi with Zelle, just tap on send money with Zelle to begin sending or requesting money. Send or request for free. When using the Citi mobile app or Citibank online, consumers can send or receive money to and from friends and family with an eligible bank account in the United States, and Citi small business customers with a checking account can send and receive money with anyone enrolled in the Zelle through their mobile banking app. All that's needed and their email address, US mobile number, or QR code. And after enrolling with Zelle and receiving money, it shows up directly in your Citi checking account, and you should be good to go. Of course, if you have any of those frequently asked questions, I'm just opening here the answers. If you have one of those questions, you can simply read the answer out by pausing the video. Of course, we're not going to through them all because it will take us some time. So as example, here are the answers of those questions. And yeah, you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.